Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05 and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. Firstly, you'll need to find yourself this kind of tool. Here you can find slot for SIM card and SD card. So what you do is you put this tool inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it, and the slot will pop out. So here you can insert SD card, here you can insert SIM card. Here you go. And then you have to put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, notification indicates like SD card detected, and another screen SIM manager tells me that here is like my SIM activated. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.